this, I have scripts for Blox Fruits. I have farming, I have stats, I have fruit. Hello YouTube and welcome to my brand new review. In this review I will show you how I got Blox Fruits scripts for Roblox absolutely free, safe and online, guys. So let's get started. Go to the Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website called AppLoop, and you will find here scripts. Click there and just click Blox Fruits, okay? And let's see the next step. Okay, now we must enter our Roblox user ID. So if you don't know how to find it, just click here, or let me just show you. So open your official Roblox profile on your browser and just copy your profile link. Okay, let's get back to our tool. Then you have paste button, press continue, and let's see. As you can see, Roblox user ID is found. So the next step is to answer to this question. So do you have Delta? No. Import the newest? Yes. Select script. Okay, let me select these scripts and let me click continue, guys, and let's see the next step. Okay, okay, AP connected, nice. Just scroll down and click I'm not a robot to verify yourself. Perfect, guys, and now we're on the manual verification step, the last one, the most important steps. What we need to do here, guys, we need to download 2 free games or apps or complete 2 simple questionnaire. It's your choice. Just click here on free, click go, and it will start the loading from the official publisher of the app. Are downloaded, complete the task. Below each task you have description what you have to do. So guys, I will download Travel Town and TikTok, so I'll be back after I complete these 2 tasks.
A few minutes later.
Okay guys, I have just completed this task and this task, and I got this message: you completed 2 tasks successfully along this redirecting text, guys. I'm waiting about 1 minute and nothing happened. So if you have this message, just wait for this redirecting, and let's see the next step. Verification successful. Thank you for passing the bot check. Blox Fruits scripts are important to your account, guys. I'm so excited to test this. Okay, so let me open the game and let's test. Does it actually work? So let's see, guys. Okay, let me play Blox Fruits and let's see. Okay guys, I'm now in the game, and as you can see we have this panel. So let me click here on home button and look at this. All scripts are added successfully. Just click execute and let's wait a little bit, and let's see, guys. Boom, look at this. I have scripts for Blox Fruits. I have farming, I have stats, I have fruits. This is amazing, guys. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this review. Thank you for watching and see you in the next. Bye.